The Inspector General of Police has ordered all state commissioners of police to go after those behind the eviction order issued to Igbos living in the northern part of the country. Mr. Ibrahim Idris was speaking at a World Press Conference held in Abuja, where he gave a stern warning that no individual, persons or group will be allowed to compromise the security of the nation. He also warned tribal groups against issuing threats and divisive messages to intimidate members of the public, as the police will come hard on perpetrators.
Another group have come up now to issue threats to some people, groups in this country. And like I observed, no individual have authority to stop any Nigerian from pursuing his deliberate in any part of this country. Because these are rights that are guaranteed by the Constitution. And definitely we are not going to allow some of these groups to carry out these threats. And these are issues that we are lucky that we are here, all of us. At least, I think they gave a deadline. I want all of us to be alert that anybody or any group, individual or group, that attempts to prevent any Nigerian, from carrying out his daily activities, we have responsibility to ensure those guys are stopped by all means.